Don't skip, watch till the end. This is something special. Welcome everyone to my channel. Today I am going to give you this trending Funk Sereno edit XML. This edit is going viral right now and you can make it in just one click using Alight motion. Let's start the edit preview.
So no matter what, I promise you, if you need us, if you need me, I'll be there.
If you like this edit, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Comment below which edit you want next and I will upload that XML too. Download link is in the description, go and try it now. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.